Fiber is a general name for parts of plants that cannot be digested. Although not absorbed by the body, it is essential to our diet. There are two types of fiber, soluble fiber and insoluble fiber. Both types are typically found in plants, but rarely in equal portions. They are equally important to our body functions, and a high-fiber diet is promoted by nutrition experts around the world due to the many benefits it brings. Our global nutrition philosophy recommends 5 to 7 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. You can also replace refined foods with whole grain counterparts to meet your fiber needs. During breakfast, it is important to include fiber-rich foods such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables to help ensure you fulfill your daily fiber intake.